Mazdaspeed. Let's put turbos on any random Mazda motor, not drop the compression, and just let her blow up. We're gonna put some head studs, Cometic gasket, make it so it can actually handle the boost. He's got it turned up a little bit here, so I think it made 330 at the wheels. It's pretty good for one of these. That's like 400 crank. But let's make it reliable and pull the head. What do you think?
Cometic head gasket's gonna make a big difference for
He
sure.
went a little thicker too. It was 40, I think, stock. Don't quote me on that.
Yeah.
But I think we told him to go 60 or 70, so it's a decent little car. It's cool.
Well, let's get tearing this thing apart.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Alright, so update on the Mazda. Got the head almost pulled off, besides that there, those bolts there. Normally you do it with the belt on, but now I get to bust my knuckles. That's gonna be awesome. Once that's off, I'm gonna pull timing chain cover and the chain, set it to top dead center first before you do all that stuff, and then get it off there.
Bust those knuckles, bud.
Oh my god.
Bust them. It's a very gratifying job, right?
Oh, it's so gratifying. When I'm done this, I get to bust my knuckles on something else. Oh, shit. Oh, here we go. Oh my god, I did it.
You got it.
I didn't even break my knuckles.
Movie mechanic. Yeah. This is a 10-second Mazda.
So we got the head pulled off here. Not seeing a smoking gun. We were hoping to see a burnt out head gasket right here. Doesn't look like that, but on the plus side, pistons do look okay. And the cylinders look fairly fine. At least we think so.
Where was your bad?
It was
your low hole?
between the two here. These
Yeah,
two
look at the
guys
carbon
here.
on those two, eh?
Yeah. So possibly head work. We're gonna have to take it to the machine shop to find that out. Alright, so anytime you're gonna pull a cylinder head off of any car, really, you gotta make sure all your valve stuff's in order. On this one we have caps that cover the valves. Those are actually different thicknesses on each one. If you mix them up, you're gonna have clattery valves or valve stuck open. Not a good idea. So what I like to do is get a box, just mark it front, and then just take them out and put them in order. And make sure people don't mess around with the box after, because that can ruin your day.
Don't let them ruin the box.
Yeah, just put those in there, put it in a safe spot, and you should be good to go. If not, you got a lot of measuring to do. What? So after a little bit of time here, a little bit of time, right? We got the head back finally. There it is. Looking beauty. Good things are worth waiting for, I guess.
Anytime you got boost, you got to get these Cometic gaskets. They're wicked metal. This one's a little bit thicker than the stock one, bring the compression down a touch, so he hopefully won't blow another one and have any more issues. You got to get the ARP studs, whether it's a Cummins or a small block Chevy or anything with boost, you got to get the ARP studs in there.
Now we have all the surfaces all cleaned up, ready to go. Exhaust, heads, and for the timing cover, there. And we can put our head on. Ready to make some boost, some power. So to get everything all prepped and cleaned and make sure your threads are cleaned out and stuff. Ready to put the ARP studs in. Okay. Hand tight only, guys. Hand tight only.
Dude, this thing is so much heavier than you would think it is. Where it goes? Like a glove? Huh? Dude.
If it was OJ's glove. What do you think, Mike?
Come here.
What? Zoom, zoom. Mike Langford in the morning.
You can edit all this.
Try this again. No, we will ram and jam this sucker.
Pour a couple White Claws on it and then freaking...
Oh, White Claws, that's the drink of the year.
Uh-oh, we're gonna get demonetized for talking about White Claws. We're not gonna get our 30 cents this month.
I was hoping to make at least 45. Oh. Hey, there we go. This cam lock tool by Mazdaspeed Systems is absolutely required to set the timing on these things. We'll show you how it works. You're gonna actually slide this along the top here, and once we, slide that along the top there, and once we have, I'm not gonna do it right now because I'm holding the camera in one hand, but we're gonna align this little groove here into here, and then same on this camshaft. We will do that, and on the bottom, stay put, got this little guy. That actually, there's a plug in the back of the cylinder block, and we're gonna rotate the crankshaft until the piston is at TDC, and you will know that when that goes in there. There's better instructions online, but that's the gist of it. And there you have it. With that camshaft tool installed, our cams are in time.
Car's alive! Okay, that ran the pump once. This is the first fire up. Oh, I hear stuff. Is that a leak? Yeah, I heard it coming up to the pump now. Oh, that sounded like a UFO, dude. That sounded fucking weird. Do that one more time. Oh, that's creepy. Okay, crank it. Yep. Oil pressure light off and all that stuff? Oh yeah. We got all sorts of lights on there. Well, what are the battery lights on? That's weird. Belt's on. Forget it. Okay, you can shut it now. Gasket, ARP studs installed, run a lot better. I mean, well, we got about 20 pounds of boost coming out of this thing.
19 and change.
19 and change. Perfect. That's enough.